Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you the simple steps to upload or migrate any your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will be able to easily upload any WordPress site or files through your cPanel or hosting account. So let's get started. This is the interface of your cPanel hosting. Okay. So when you click on the install, there is a software which is called a Cpanel installer. This gives us an access to install the WordPress on our server. So right now you have to just select your domain name from here, add the username, the password, and click on install. Okay, so this is the first step. You have to install your server on your domain. So after installing, you will have a fresh website on your domain. Right now I have installed this WordPress on this domain. Okay, sorry, on this subdomain, and this is the dashboard. Now if you are not logged in inside your cPanel, just click on here the login into cPanel. Whatever the hosting you have, the features and the functionalities of every cPanel hosting is same. Okay, and here under this manage, you will see a login into cPanel. Okay, now we are inside the cPanel and just locate this file manager. Okay, the second step is to just locate your domain or the subdomain. If you have domain installed, then you will see on this left hand side. Okay, so right now you will see here my domain is webcloud.co.in, so it is showing on the left hand side, and if you have the subdomain, it will be located inside that particular folder, which is your main domain. Okay, now search. So this is the upload files. Right now you will see here my domain is upload files, which is subdomain, and this is the folder of that domain. Okay, so click on and open it, and you will see some files of this WordPress, and you will see these files. Now just select all these files and click on delete. Also check mark this option so that it will not place inside the trash, it will be permanently deleted. So check it and click on confirm. Okay, now go to your cPanel and create a database. So search here database, and here you will see a database wizard, and give a name to the database. Give a unique name. Okay, so I will use UPLD DB. Okay, and select open the notepad and just paste your DB name. This will be your DB name. Okay, and there is one thing, the DB name will include this your main domain name. Okay, so you have to just copy right here, this will be the prefix, and followed by this your any database name. Okay, UPLD DB. Make sure it should be match. Okay, otherwise your database will not work. And click on next step, and you will see that we have created a database name this. Now we have to give a username, so I will use UPLD user. Okay, similarly copy this suffix, and here I will write DB username, and the prefix will be same. Okay, and finally we have to write password, so I will use UPLD and 123. Okay, here also I will write a password PLD and 123. Also just keep your password inside the notepad, PLD @123. Okay, now create the user Okay, we have given a very short length of password, so let's make it different. Okay, let me just write this first. Copy this. Okay, now create the user and you will see this window. So click on all privileges, click on make changes. Okay, now our database is ready. Now go to tools, and from here now we have to just upload our files inside this domain name or this subdomain name. Okay, so for that, if you have installed any WordPress website or files from my website, so now I'm going to just visit my website, and from there like this website, if just download this website from here. Okay, and you will have the files something like this. One is a main zip file, which is website, contains all the website data, here the database and the instructions. Okay, so we need only this file and the database. Okay, so first we will upload this apk.website.zip. okay, let me show, just extract these files, or just okay, I will upload here and will extract from here. Okay, so click on upload, just copy this address and open this. So right now basically there are two ways. I give the two files, the zip file and the database. Okay, so if you got the zip file and database, then this tutorial is very beneficial for you. Okay, and if you get .wordpress files, which is the all-in-one WP migration extension, then you can easily migrate or upload the files using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, there is no need to do these extra steps. It will only require if you have the database file and the WordPress website files. Okay, so right now our website is successfully uploaded. Now close this dialog and click on here reload. So you will see here the files are compressed as zip file, so we have to just extract it. Click on, right click on, click here on extract and extract files. Okay, close this. Now again reload, and you will see we have extracted all our files inside our main directory. Okay, now you can delete these files, or I'm going to keep for I will keep this zip file in this folder. If anything happens wrong with it, we can easily back up the files. Okay, we easily restore the files. Now we have just extracted our files. The second step is to the next step is to just edit the database. Okay, and this is the very crucial part of this tutorial. We have to just edit or replace the localhost domain or any domain with our main domain or the subdomain. Okay, so first so before this we will just add the database that we have created, or we have to just connect. Let me show the database. Recently we have created a database, and here is our database. Okay, we have created right now, and we have to upload our database inside to this database. Okay, for that we have to go to tools and open PHP my admin. Okay, and just locate that database. So this is the webcrawler underscore upload db, and from here we have to just import the database. Okay, for before that we have to just edit this database. So just open this with any code editor. Right now I am using Visual Studio Code. This is the step required to just simply replace the domain. Okay, because I have modified the database, or I have changed the domain name inside the database. Okay, that's why. So here you will see some instructions. I have just given the domain name like this. We have to replace this domain. Okay, so search, and this is almost 11,300 times are placed. Okay, now we have to replace it with our main domain or the subdomain. Okay, now just copy your main address. So this is the main domain. Okay, copy it and paste here. Make sure the everything is perfectly, and paste here. So we have HTTPS everything, and cross check everything. Okay, so this is all the HTTPS and upload files. Okay, after that just click on this replace all. Okay, and that's it. Now the domain is replaced to this. Now click on Ctrl+S and close the database. Okay, after closing, go to your panel or phpMyAdmin, click on import, and here you will see choose file, and click on database and click on open. Click here to import. Okay, and you will see that we have imported the database successfully. Okay, now don't close this window. Let's check if the database connectivity is really working or not. Okay, now here go to the files and go to wp config. Right click on it and edit. Click on edit, and you will see here the db name, db user and db password. So we have to replace with our newly created. Okay, just open the notepad. So we have set our db name like this. So copy this, paste here. Okay, and db username, and finally we have password. And make sure there should not be left any extra space, either the left hand side or the right hand side of this text. Okay, or data. So we have to just replace these three things, the db name, user and password. Now click on save changes. Okay, so almost we just finished all our importing procedure, and we almost done these steps required for this migration process. Okay, now we are on the final steps, that we have to just test our website whether it is working or not. Okay, so this is our main domain. We have migrated our website on this domain. Okay, so let's check. Okay, now you can see here this is the new domain name. Okay, and you will see here all the files are uploaded successfully on this domain name. So and this is the name, which is apk spot, and click on the website in the new tab, and let's check. And here we have our website migrated on the new domain. Okay, and you will see some bugs over here, some files or the widgets are missing, or you will see the text are the missing. Okay, so don't worry about that. It's maybe some issues. Okay, in the 99% cases it will upload your website successfully, okay, without any bugs. So it may happen sometimes, so don't worry about this. And you will see that every pages we have created is uploaded, and there we have to do one thing. Just go to settings under this permalink, and first make here the permalink structure to plain. Okay, and click on save changes. Now upload it, refresh this, and click or open any category or something. So I'm going to open this category. Okay, and it's working well. Okay, and return, go to a permalink settings and click on DN, any permalink that you want to keep. Okay, so I will click here the post name, click on save changes, and go to home, and now open. Now it's working well. Okay, so we have to just make sure. So it's very necessary to first open any link using this plain structure permalink. Okay, if you just open directly, it will show page not found error. Okay, so that's you have to do at the end of this procedure. Now we almost migrate our website, and this issue is not serious. Okay, you can try at your own way. If anything goes wrong, you can just ask me on the Instagram or the WhatsApp. Okay, I used to use this procedure for migrating, or I still using the same procedure for migrating all of my website on the server. So still I am using the same procedure to migrate my WordPress website. Okay, and it works. So I hope you understand the whole procedure to migrate any website onto your server. Okay, using these steps. So if you found this video very helpful, you can give up a thumbs and just follow my YouTube as well. Okay, so in the next video I'll be back with another interesting tutorial. Okay, take care.